Welcome to my channel, where we empower and inspire you to live your best life and to pursue your dreams. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the amazing world of universal laws, and specifically, the power of the law of gratitude. Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, success and abundance always seem to elude you? Well, you might be surprised to learn that your perspective and outlook on life can greatly impact your results. The law of gratitude states that the more grateful we are, the more abundance and blessings will come into our lives. It's simple, yet profound. The more we appreciate what we have, the more we attract positive experiences and opportunities. Think about it. When we focus on what we're thankful for, our thoughts and emotions become more positive, and that positive energy radiates out into the universe. It's a chain reaction, and the universe responds by giving us more of what we want and need. The key to harnessing the power of the law of gratitude is to make it a daily practice. We can start by simply making a list of things we're thankful for each day. It doesn't matter if it's small things like a good cup of coffee, or big things like a loving relationship. When we focus on what we have, and not what we don't have, we create a mindset of abundance and positivity. In conclusion, the law of gratitude is a powerful tool for manifesting abundance and success in our lives. By incorporating gratitude into our daily routines, we can shift our perspectives and attract more positivity and abundance into our lives. So, start today and make gratitude a habit, and watch as the universe responds by giving you even more to be grateful for. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.